Hey folks, Shawn over at the Annuity Expert. In this video, we are answering the question, how do I start an annuity account or add an annuity to a retirement plan? You can go about it a couple of different ways. One, I've had videos about this. You should see, if you're interested in an annuity specifically, you need to talk to an independent annuity broker. Why? Because you're going to get the largest selection of annuity products out there, meaning you're going to get if there's a probability, it's much higher if you buy through an annuity broker than a financial advisor, a person at a bank or a credit union or a captive insurance agent, because they're just restricted on what they can sell, and they can only sell what's on the truck, right? Where an independent annuity broker, that truck is 10 trucks as opposed to one truck, okay? So what you do is you get in touch with an independent annuity broker like us, the Annuity Expert. We'll talk to you, have a consultation. It's free, and we'll figure out what annuity would be best for your situation. And then once we find it, you then fill out an application, and then it'll go directly. It'll be an e-application. It'll go directly up to the insurance company. We've got a video about that, and then you would either have the insurance company request the funds, or you would send it directly to the insurance company. You do not send your money to a financial professional, including us, okay? And then you would add it to your retirement portfolio, and that essentially would be it. And then you would have that independent annuity broker to help with ongoing help throughout the years. What else should you know? How to add an annuity to a retirement plan. I mean, it depends on what your retirement plan is. So if you're a W-2 employee first off, you can get an annuity without an employer, right? You could buy that on an individual basis, just like you can buy a normal IRA on an individual basis, right? But you also could look at, if you're a 403B employee, so a teacher, a nurse, maybe you work for a nonprofit, sometimes they have 403B annuities. In my experience, they're not the most competitive products out there, but it's worth looking at. You can't really add an annuity to a 401k. I mean, I think some plans might have like group annuities that they can add to it. I think your best bet to get the best annuity is to do it on your own, DIY, contacting an annuity broker, letting them find you the best product for your situation, and then taking that path. So yeah, that's how you go start an annuity account. You're going to need at least $10,000 to open up an account. Okay, so just know that. And then if you need to add money to that account on an ongoing basis, make sure you ask for a flexible premium annuity that allows you to add ongoingly, where a single premium, it's a one-time dump in. And that's it. If you decide that you talk to somebody else other than us at the Annuity Expert, make sure that you're not in a position where they're going to make you annuitize your contract. That means you'll give up control over your money. You don't want to do that. And I would probably get 2 or 3 quotes, and then I think you should be good to go from there. So if you got any questions, leave a comment below, and then we'll catch you on the if you come over to our website at the Annuity Expert, you can check out the interest rates. We have the fixed annuity rates here. And then we have, if you're looking for future income, you can find that out in real time here, right? So anyway, catch you on the next video. See ya.